Zabac and Stonoga at Eurovision.
Bulgarian artists here with Stonoga and Zabac. Are you going to win?
We'll see.
You are the first DJ artist on this competition.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the first
Very
ever
interesting.
project like this.
How does what people said about this?
Well, they're really interested, at least most of the people we talk to. Yes, but they're, I think, most interested in Joanna.
Of course.
She's our main
She's
weapon.
spectacular.
And she's a DJ too.
Yeah.
Ljudi su dosta zainteresovani za njihov DJ projekt koji je prvi na Eurosongu, ali dosta su zainteresovani za Joannu,
Da.
koja je spektakularna. I must ask you, I want to hear this stuff, a cappella. DJ
Let's
stuff
do
a
it.
cappella.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it possible?
Yeah.
With the dancers?
Yeah, with everything.
Maybe
You can
without
do
the dancer.
He has a problem with the legs, so we're keeping an L. So here's a little something goes like this.
When the night falls down, I want you. DJ, please take me away. And when the lights go down, I need you. DJ, please take me away. Take me away.
You want to take her away, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay.
I will.
Take me away.
I will take her away. 12 points from Stonoga and Zabac.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
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 Ovaj program su omogućili Scanjet, direktni letovi iz Skandinavije za najpopularnije turističke destinacije u Hrvatskoj, centri za lokalni razvoj na usluzi građana u 9 gradova Bosne i Hercegovine i u cijeloj dijaspori. Više prirode, više života, Vitalis sokovi. Top Turist, najsigurniji i najpovoljniji put autobusom iz Skandinavije za Bosnu i Hercegovinu. Kovu galerija Visoko, shopping centar za cijelu porodicu. Bonbon Damla, punjena voćna karamela s prirodnom aromom svježeg voća, kao i široka paleta bombonjera Orient, koje možete naći kod ekskluzivnog distributera.